Okay, so let's start. Let me share you my screen. Let's do a disclaimer. Okay po, share. Nakikita po ang screen ko? Anyone?
Yes.
Yes po.
Po. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so welcome to our presentation of Capital 3.0. Okay, we are also to presentation. This is also yung i-cover natin yung 9Pay a little bit, but we will tackle more on Capital 3.0. Okay, so sa hindi po nakakakilala sa akin, so my name is Dennis Miras. Nandito po ako sa UK. Okay, dito po ako naka-base now. At yun, nandito po tayo sa company, within the company for since the beginning, since na mag-start. So, yun. Start po natin ngayon yung presentation natin with the disclaimer. Okay, at least magkaroon lang po tayo ng na maintindihan natin na meron tayong mga risk na po pwedeng ikon dito sa information na makukuha natin. Okay, so let's play.
General disclaimer. Welcome to the We're All Satoshi official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 2.0. All presenters are providing their services on a volunteer basis. Their views and opinions do not necessarily reflect those of the organisation. While we aim for accuracy, errors may occur. All content is for informational purposes only. The information provided is general, not personalised advice. We are not liable for any losses. We provide informations and systems, but we do not endorse any purchases of memberships. Your decisions are yours alone. So we advise conducting thorough research. If uncertain, seek guidance from a qualified professional. Attendees accept these terms by continuing. Let's explore affiliate marketing cautiously and curiously. Legal disclaimer. You are viewing a We're All Satoshi official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 2.0. All products, services, their component parts and operating methods and systems either provided by or created by We Are All Satoshi belong solely to We Are All Satoshi. All IPs are protected. Anyone copying, distributing or reselling any We Are All Satoshi product without express permission risks serious legal consequences. Any unauthorized broadcasting, live streaming or social media sharing of We're All Satoshi presentations is strictly prohibited. Downloading and re-uploading presentations without permission violates copyright law and may lead to legal consequences.
So, okay. So, yeah, medyo naputol lang yon but tuloy na natin. Okay? So, right now, i-discuss ko lang sa inyo kung sino si We Are All Satoshi, ano nga bang meron sa We Are All Satoshi, at of course, bakit nga ba very exciting na maging part tayo ng We Are Satoshi. So, we are introducing Affiliate Marketing 3.0, and Affiliate Marketing 3.0 is 2.0 is nothing new. Sabi nga natin, affiliate marketing has been in the industry for a while. Sa matagal na tayong marami na tayong mga na salihan ng mga affiliate marketings, and we all know na walang nagtagal. Even siguro yung mga product based, okay? Na yung mga tangible products, marami mga affiliate marketing tayo nasalihan, which is really good. But in the crypto world, we are all Satoshi is one of a kind. Isa po siya sa, I can say, na one of the most innovative digital products na meron tayo in We Are All Satoshi. Okay? So we will start, and we starting that in affiliate marketing 2.0, kung saan hanggat maaari nga babaguhin na natin yung mindset natin na kapag sumali tayo sa isang affiliate marketing, automatic iisipin na natin, ay nako, hindi na magtatagal yan, ilang buwan lang yan, ganyan lang yan, no? So, to be honest with you, over a year, 2 years na actually, magto 2 years na tayo dito sa company, which is really amazing. So, tumagal tayo ng ganito, may mga challenges, of course, challenges as always there. Sabi natin, it's the same as life, no? Hindi natin alam kung anong mangyayari sa buhay natin bukas, pag magigising pa ba tayo bukas o whatever. Other challenges, mga problema dumarating sa atin, hindi natin masasabi na kung ano. Pero of course, dahil sa mga challenges na yon, the company is getting stronger, the company is getting better. So siyempre maraming mga lessons learned, maraming mga Sabi nga natin Juan. So, yun. Kung meron man tayong mga nababasa, naririnig, that's of course, sabi nga nila, may kasabihan talaga na if you don't have a critics, ibig sabihin nun hindi ka successful. Kasi walang nagki-criticize sa'yo. Ibig sabihin wala kang ginagawa. Kasi wala kang criticism na natatanggap. So it's very important for you to understand na criticism, sabi nga natin yung mga paninira o whatever na maririnig ninyo in a company, automatic yan. Sabi nga natin, isa yan sa mga reason kung bakit nagiging successful ang mga companies. Kaya so right now, we are all Satoshi is really in the, sabi nga natin, nasa, kung pa lang siya, nasa beginning pa lang. We are just in the beginning. Imaginein natin in the next 5, 10 years na we are all Satoshis going here. Tapos makikita niyo itong mga product na to. Okay? At itong mga product na to, of course, will not happen without this man. Okay? So this man is our CEO. Siya yung nagbibigay sa atin ng kung nabaga ng mga wonderful products, mga innovative products, one of the kind sa market, no? So, yun lagi yung ginagawa niya. He's giving back the power to the community, securing liquidity, ensuring the sustainability through 140 years of mining journey. Mamaya papaliwanag ko bakit may 140 years of mining dyan. Okay, it's very important. But, of course, kasi yung pinakang original product natin, kumbaga yung pinakang baby na product natin, yung pinakang flagship product natin has celebrated its first birthday, no? Nung October 3, nag first birthday na, nag 1 year na yung ating flagship product na napakaganda. So kaya uh, yung 140 years is, sabi nga natin, we already spend. So meron na lang tayong 139, para bang ganun, no? Parang ganun kaganda. Titira natin 139 years na lang. Ano, palagay ba natin buhay pa kaya tayo no sa lagay na yun, no? So yun yung kagandahan dito. So sabi nga na, masasabi ko na with this man, no, dahil he is a tech genius, he is a AI genius na talagang, sabi nga natin, pagdating sa development, yung mga nakita kong products na pinakita niyo talaga is really really amazing, na talagang makuha ka. And of course, pag diniscuss ko sa inyo to mamaya, makikita nyo especially yung pang product, lalo especially Capital 3.0 that I will discuss in a bit. Okay? So, yun yung pagiging intelligent person niya, tapos pagiging sabi nga dahil mahal niya yung company natin o yung community natin, he is bringing up all his best para sa nga natin in the next 4, 5 years. Pwede na tayo maging sabi nga natin, financial freedom is there, o pwede na tayo maging financially free. Okay? Kung tinitingnan lang kasi, pwede kasi minsan tinitingnan lang natin is yung mga short term. It's like gusto natin quick get rich quick scheme. Okay? So hindi po tayo, wala po tayong get rich quick scheme dito. Lahat po tayo, level ko lang natin. We need to do some works because this is a business. Okay? Just like any other business, kailangan po natin yan bigyan tutukan, no? Hindi po yung pagka nag-business kayo, nahiga na lang kayo at yung business nyo tumatakbo na. Meron pong ganoon ngayon, but of course yun po ay sa mga millionaire and they are doing leverage. Okay? So, ibig sabihin po yan, meron na po silang system, meron na silang mga employees, lahat gumagana yan, and then of course pwede na silang matulog. But this type of our business, hindi pa tayo ganun. Pero kung gusto nating umabot sa ganung pagkakataon, of course, kailangan natin ng maglagay ng hard work. Kailangan natin mag-put ng hard work in this type of business. Okay? So, ano ba ang meron ng We Are All Satoshi? Okay? So, We Are All Satoshi, where is AI synthesizes the power of crypto. So, puro crypto po, more on cryptocurrencies tayo. Bakit? Kasi yan yung meron ngayon. Yan yung trend ngayon. Yan yung way kung papunta saan ang ating financial institutions. Okay? Marami na, matagal na rin ng crypto. It has begun since the Bitcoin was born, ba? So, meron din tayong sariling cryptos. Okay? So, number one natin is Bitcoin Code. So, yan yung meron tayong sariling blockchain. Okay? So, we are going to be mining. Okay? Meron din tayong validators, meron tayong nodes. So, yung sarili nating blockchain is meron. Imagine, nasa company kayo na may sariling blockchain na alam natin na nag-work. Alam natin na it's EVM compliant. Okay? So kapag EVM compliant na blockchain natin, that means you are in the safe blockchain. Alam natin 'yan. So napakaganda. Okay? So yan yung mga yan yung baby product natin, yan yung sinasabi ko nga sa inyo, si Bitcoin Code, yan yung ating flagship product na nag-birthday last October 3. Ibig sabihin, hindi tayo tatagal ng 1 year kung for nothing, di ba? Marami tayong nasalihan, alam natin 2, 3 months, 4 months, babay na, tapos wala na, no? Dito, nandito tayo for over a year na. So, ibig sabihin, nag-start si Bitcoin Code ng October 3 last year. Ngayon, lumampas na sa 1 year niya, and it will be going up to the uh, 140 years niya. Okay? So we have our upcoming products, okay? The synthesized AI and Web3, which is Dodo, is an index trading na-mention natin kanina, no, it's very exciting. I'm really curious how this Dodo will works, index trading will works in crypto world. Napaka unique kasi ang alam ko po, index trading works on stocks. Okay? Sa mga New York Stock Exchange, nandun kayo, alam niyo yung mga yon. I know, I believe meron naman kayo mga idea, but this Dodo is something special. So I believe this will be released in the next 2, 3 weeks or 4 weeks. Lagyan na natin, no, let's say a month, and then we will be able to experience. So ibig sabihin, at least before Christmas, magkakaroon na tayo ng passive income with regards to Dodo on how to do index trading in the crypto world. And then Shabes AI, see, I mentioned sa inyo kanina, our CEO is a tech genius. Siya mismo nag-create siya ng sarili niyang AI. Okay? He named it as Shabes AI, of course. Yung AI na yan is integrated na sa blockchain natin. Marami na tayong project na pumasok, no? And then of course, yung Capital 3.0. Capital 3.0 is something unique na ipapakita ko rin sa inyo mamaya kung paano siya mag-work. You will be surprised na pwede pala 'yon. Posible pala 'yon. Akala natin hindi kasi yung Capital 3.0 hindi natin alam na pwede pala tayo magkaroon ng access early before mag-release ang isang project. Okay? So yun po yun. And then of course, we have our 9Pay. This is our payment solution. If you are a sabi nga natin, meron kayong mga cryptong hawak na hindi nyo alam kung paano ilalabas, how to exit. Very simple na po kay 9Pay. You can use it like a debit card. Lagyan nyo lang ng crypto nyo, hindi nyo na kailangan mag-exchange. Ikas-kas nyo sa lahat ng ATM machines, sa mga stores. Ready na po yan. Mamaya di-discuss ko in a little bit ang 9Pay. Okay? Take Capital. This is another investment project by our CEO, pero hindi po yan sabi nga natin, hindi yan kasama sa affiliate marketing, but of course is included po yan sa product natin. And then peer-to-peer exchange, palabas na din po yan, no? In the next coming weeks, lalabas na rin po ang P2P exchange natin. How that it will works, simple lang po yan. Kung alam niyo yung P2P ng Binance, ng OKX, di ba, may sarili na silang P2P, makikipag-transaction kayo tao sa tao. Ganun din yung peer-to-peer natin. But of course, hindi yun P2P lang na tayo lang ang magkausap. Of course, meron yan talagang may system yan na to make sure na hindi tayo magkalolokohan dalawa, di ba? Marami na kasi ngayon na mag-uusap lang tayo tapos bigay mo sa akin yung pera mo, ibigay ko sa yung crypto, hindi nangyayari. But of course, this is a system. So napakarami na nating project, okay? Sa totoo lang, paano pa hindi kayo ma-excite? And a lot more are coming. A lot more are coming. But for now, ito muna hindi discuss natin para makita ninyo kung gaano nga katigas. So, we develop our ecosystem in 3 core areas. Isipin niyo yung areas natin. We have the blockchain, we have the AI, and then of course, the friction-free liquidity natin. So, ibig sabihin, tuloy-tuloy lang yung natin, paggastos natin kung kailangan natin using the 9Pay. Okay? Now, we are all Satoshi products. So ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, okay? So we have Code 20 Miners NFT na magmamine tayo ng Bitcoin code for the next 140 years. Ano bang meron nito? This is simply, sabi nga natin, the replica of Bitcoin. Kung may idea kayo kung ano yung Bitcoin, kung paano nagsimula si Bitcoin, bakit ba nabuhay si Bitcoin, now, ang ginawa, yung the whole concept nun, the whole system, the way it works, lahat po yan ginaya ng code, natin, ng Bitcoin code natin by using the NFT miners. Okay? Yung NFT miners po natin is a utility para makapag-mine tayo ng Bitcoin code. Okay? So yun po yung meron tayo diyan. So yun ang ginagamit natin dito sa pagmay natin, okay? And then validators, okay? If you become a validators, isipin nyo you will get 240% annual yield. Okay? Annual yield po yan. So that means kikita kayo ng Bitcoin code na 0.027 every hour. So yun po yung worth of validators. Ang validators natin is medyo expensive but malaki naman ang return, and this is going to happen for the next 140 years as well. So we have node offer. So node offer is siyempre alam natin, if you have a blockchain, you need to have a node operators. And if you will be one of the node operators, you will get 182% yield, okay? Or 0.07 BTCC per hour. Imagine niyo yan, yearly nakakakuha kayo ng ganyan kalaking return, okay? Fixed. So, ibig sabihin, ang kailangan lang nating tingnan dito is yung price ng Bitcoin code. Ano ba ibig sabihin ko doon? Imagine the Bitcoin, di ba? Si Bitcoin, nag-umpisa magkano lang? 0.0001 ang price nung hindi pa natin kilala. Sabi natin, wala yan, hindi natin pinansin. Tapos ngayon, meron na tayong second chance. So, ito yung second chance natin to know na yung Bitcoin code is going to be. And with these validators and node offers, mas marami ang chance natin na magkaroon tayo ng Bitcoin code. Okay? So, 9Pay, crypto card o crypto credit card with cashback. Kasi so itong maganda to, no? You spend your crypto, tapos meron ding cashback para sa'yo. So, pinakamadaling way natin dito is spending your crypto very smoothly and easy. No? Hindi nyo na kailangan ng kung ano-ano pang exchange. Hindi na kayo kailangan i-block kasi pag binala kayo ng exchangers nyo, hindi nyo magagamit yung crypto nyo. Dito kay 9Pay, deposit mo lang, spend it like a cash using your card. And then of course, we have Dodo Crypto Index Trading. Ayan, nabansin ko na nga, sabi ko nga sa inyo, it's coming. Hopefully, yung training namin mag-start na next week, and definitely kayo yung unang-unang makakarinig sa akin noon. If this is not good, o sabi nga natin, hindi ko ito ipo-promote kung hindi ito maganda. But of course, the excitement is here kasi hindi ko pa po nakita in my life na mayroon pong index trading ang crypto. So this is much more exciting. Okay? Napakadali po ng index trading sa stocks. I hope the same din na madali din ang trading natin dito sa crypto. Then of course, Capital 3.0, early access to crypto unicorns and AI disruptors. Ano po ba ibig sabihin nito? Early access, ibig sabihin po, di ba? Kung naaalala nyo sa atin sa Pilipinas, ano, kung mga naglaro ng games ni Chinkitan, yung gumamit ng Axie Infinity. Okay? So, yung Axie Infinity is one of the projects, isa sa mga naging crypto unicorns po ang Axie Infinity. Pero, tayo po ngayon sa Capital 3.0, just like with Axie Infinity, no, bago po i-release si Axie Infinity, may mga tao nang nag-invest, may mga investment na nangyari doon. And now, dahil nga malapit na ang bull run, or I don't think bull run is happening or started happening na, no? Pero ngayong bull run, maraming project ang lalabas. And then of course, we have now the chance para bago pa lang i-release yung crypto na yon, nandun ka na, investor ka na. And isa yan sa pinakamagandang offer na binigay sa atin ng CEO natin. Mamaya i-explain ko sa inyo in further details. Okay? So, okay, yan. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, we celebrated na 1 year anniversary ni Bitcoin Code. Okay? So, thank you to every member, leaders, and entire community for your dedication and support. Especially thank you to Chavez, our CEO, okay, our founder, for his vision, to everyone involved in making this journey possible. Together, we continue to grow and achieve great things. Okay, so congratulations to all and every one of you na meron na kayong Bitcoin code na hawak, because our journey has just started. Okay? Napakaganda. First year anniversary, kanina ko pa minamention sa inyo, and we are in it. Okay? Now, paano ba tayo magkakaroon ng Bitcoin code like the miners? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong NFT miners. Okay? So we have 3 types of NFT miners that will give you to mine Bitcoin code in the next 140 years. So we have the GT1X, which cost us $50. 500X which is $500 and GT100X which is $5,000. Okay? Ganito yun, no? Sasabihin nyo naman, grabe naman, may bayad pala yung miners. Bakit ang sabi natin, di ba? Kung naalala nyo ang istorya ni Bitcoin, okay, I will give you the story of Bitcoin. Bitcoin, hindi po kayo makakapag-mine kung wala kayong Antminer. Okay? Ang Antminer ngayon, I believe, mag-visit kayo kay Amazon or any sabi nga natin mga bilihan ng mga Antminers, no? I believe it's worth $5,000 to $8,000 per Antminer. The system pa, yung lang yun, yung hardware pa lang yun. Okay? You need to set up, of course, kailangan nyo ng place noon, kailangan nyo magbayad ng kuryente, kailangan nyo magbayad ng cooler. Hindi mo, ibig sabihin, kung po yun, yung setup noon, marami. Lahat yun aasikasuhin ninyo yun, and you have to pay in advance. Okay? You have to pay in advance for that for you to be able mine Bitcoin. Ngayon, meron tayong second chance, okay? Na kailangan na lang natin ang yung magagawin, bibili lang kayo ng miner. NFT na siya, i-connect nyo lang sa node and then forget it. Pag nakakonect na siya sa node, forget it. Balikan mo na lang siya kung kailan mo gustong kunin yung Bitcoin code mo. Okay? So, there's another representation of Bitcoin code but of course, sabi nga natin, if you will be willing to magkaroon ng Bitcoin code, this is something else. Because ano ba yung mayroon yan? Because it's the same with Bitcoin. We have 21 million supply, halving every 4 years, and the whole 9 years of it. So hindi natin marami, sabi nga natin, hindi nyo kay ang advantage nito, we are in the 21st century technology. So hindi natin kailangan na ng mga hardware. Ang kailangan lang natin NFT and then we can do the mining. Okay? Right now, sabi nga sa inyo kung in the first year of Bitcoin code, nag all-time high na tayo ng $87. All-time high. Wala pang 1 year, nag $87 yung all-time high na price niya. Right now, I believe it's on the under $64. But still, imagine in the next 3 years, kasi 1 year na, di ba? The next 3 years, mag-halving siya. What if Bitcoin code reaches, let's say, $500 na lang? Hindi na natin kailangang exaggerate. 1,000, 10,000. Hindi natin kailangang habulin si Bitcoin. $500 na lang per Bitcoin code. Nakapag-mine ka ng 10. Ano ba ang magagawa sa iyo niyan, di ba? So, yan ang kagandahan ng meron tayong Bitcoin code. If you want to learn more about this, of course, we have a different presentation. Let me know or go back to the person that invited you here and he or she will explain it to you. Or of course, I am willing to help everyone, okay? But of course, we go to 9Pay. Okay. So 9Pay is a revolutionizing financial get revolutionizing financial transactions. Okay, so yan yung sinasabi natin kanina. So we are here to introduce to you the revolutionary financial tool to leverage the power of cryptocurrency for daily transactions. Okay, so join us with 9Pay. It is accepted by 100 merchants worldwide. Pwede nyo po siyang i-add sa mga pay like Google Pay, Apple Pay, Amazon Pay, lahat po ng klase ng pay. Para po lang siyang ordinary card na gagamitin natin. Okay? But of course, the very important here is, tingnan nyo, this is powered by Visa. So powered by Visa, so ibig sabihin, ano ba si Visa? Sino ba si Visa and financial institution? One, kasabay yan ni Mastercard. So dadalawa silang alam natin na talagang, sabi nga natin, pagdating sa payment solution, they are the best. And we are in partnership with that. Imagine ninyo, nilagyan nyo ng crypto, let's say ng Bitcoin yung card nyo, ikinaskas mo yan sa mall, so anywhere, meron ka ng magagastos mo na yung crypto mo, hindi mo na kailangan ng exchange. And that's how powerful 9Pay is. Okay? So, available po ang app ng 9Pay for iOS and Android. Okay? So, yun po kailangan, da-download lang natin yung app, okay? With the 9Pay card and then you can secure your crypto transaction. Very, very simple. Diba? Okay. So 9Pay cards, you have two cards. Okay? You will be given two cards. Okay? So the virtual cards and the physical cards. 9Pay cards offer both virtual and physical card options. Virtual card can be used for online transactions, and of course, physical cards are ideal for store purchases. Okay, ensuring your privacy. 9Pay card prioritize your privacy, personal data is encrypted, and transactions can be conducted anonymously, ensuring a high level of privacy for users. Ano po ba ibig sabihin nito? 'Di ba? Natatakot tayo na baka matrace ng government yung natin, yung transaction natin. Makita na lang na hindi tayo baka hindi tayo nagbabayad ng tax o bakit saan nanggagaling yung pera natin kasama ng AMLA. This time, you don't have to worry about it because of this security. Okay? Yun po ang kagandahan ng nasa blockchain ang ating transaction. Ba? So this is how our 9Pay really works. Kung may kakilala kayo ng mga, sabi nga natin, daan-daan libo o 100 million dollars ang cryptong hawak nila tapos hindi nila alam kung paano ilalabas. The only way is you have to put up business para may proof ka na mayroon kang pinanggagalingan ng source of income. But for tayo mga crypto enthusiasts, most of the time, siyempre, bibili lang tayo ng crypto, bibenta lang natin, magti-trade tayo ng crypto, and then, ano yun, crypto lang, hindi natin magastos sa panahon ngayon dahil sa mga bank institution natin. So, this is something na, tingnan natin, sabi nga natin, this is sabi ko nga sa inyo, so easy way, there will be easy way now. If Dodo is going to work, lalo na siguro dahil lahat ng crypto nakikitain natin sa trading na yon, ano bang gagawin natin? Baka pagka hundred thousands of dollars na yung crypto natin, pag nilagay natin sa Pilipinas, we only have what? 50,000 pesos minimum or maximum, or lagay na natin 100,000, and then what? Tigil na muna. You have to slow down o dahan-dahanin natin. But with the 9Pay, you don't have to worry about exiting your crypto. Okay? Now, rewards and cashback. So user can earn rewards and cashback on their spending which are credited in cryptocurrency. Okay? These incentives in spending and adds value to the cardholder. So meron din po tayong cashback. So hindi natin ibig sabihin, 'di ba, yung mga credit cards, meron tayong miles, meron tayong mga 'di ba, pagka bumili tayo doon sa mga partner stores, may mga cashback din tayo, 'di ba? Meron din po ang 9Pay. So this is really amazing na hindi tayo napag-iiwanan pagdating sa cashback, and the cashback is more rewarding kasi it's in crypto. Okay? So napakaganda. Now, ano ba yung potential market? Paano ba natin sasabihin natin na, saan naman natin po pwedeng gamitin ang card natin, or sino yung po pwedeng nating bigyan ng mga card? Okay? So currently, only 2% of the bank account holders actively use cryptocurrency for spending. 2% only. See? Imagine ninyo. Okay? So yung annual growth kung nakikita niyo yung annual growth na mangyayari in the next 4 years, okay? From 560 million to 1.2 billion po ang growth na mangyayari. Isipin niyo yung napakalaking growth niyan para sa market natin. So, isipin niyo, meron tayong crypto spenders na 80 million, and then goes to 560 million. And then, of course, pagdating ng ilang panahon, potential crypto holders will be 1.98 billion. And then, of course, bank account holders natin is 4 billion. So, yan po yung mga data na nakita natin right now. Okay? This is sabi nga natin as we speak. So, ano ba naman yung crypto spenders? 80 million people nag-spend ng crypto. 560 million people naghahawak ng crypto, ayaw nilang ibenta, di ba? Of course, yung mga nag-aspire tulad natin, maging crypto holders, di ba? Ganun yun. Hindi, syempre naman kasama na tayo sa may mga bank account. So that is something na kailangan din nating tingnan. Now, ito yun yung susunod, yung cashbacks, ito yung maganda. Okay? So we have 3 types of cards na available sa 9Pay. So these are the 3 cards, 9 Choice, 9 Prime, and 9 Platinum. So there are benefits, of course, sa bawat card. Meron tayong cashback. So in the transaction limit for 9 Choice is 10K. Okay, you get 0.1% cashback when your friends and family spends. So ibig sabihin po, let's say nag-refer kayo, okay? Kasi kung po to, direct referral lang po ninyo ang makukuha nyo ng 0.1%. Okay? So yun po ang magiging ko natin, magiging rewards natin. So everyone naman let's say niregalo mo sa pamilya mo, may tigi-tigi sa silang card. Every time na mag-spend sila ng gamit ang card, na meron kang 9 choice card, it doesn't matter kung anong card ang gamit na ibigay mo sa kanila, automatic meron kang 0.1% cashback kasi yan yung card mo. Of course, ganun din naman sa 9 Prime. So 0.2% cashback sa friends and relatives. Okay? And then of course sa 9 Platinum, 0.3%. Okay? Ito namang up to 3% cashback on your spending is depending on the tier. Okay? Ito pong tier, dito magdi-depend. So ibig sabihin po, it doesn't matter kung anong card ang hawak nyo, basta nasa tier 1 kayo. Ano ba yung tier 1? Tier 1 is you should have 2 direct referrals. Okay? Tier 1, ibig sabihin po, kapag ka nasa tier 1 ka, you get 1% cashback on your own spending. So kung ano man yung gastusin mo, may 1% kang babalik basta meron kang 2 direct referrals. Tier 2, okay? Yung tier 2 naman po, ibig sabihin meron kang 5 direct referrals. Yung 5 direct referrals, ibig sabihin every time nagagastos ka, you will get 2% cashback on your own spending. Okay? Napakaganda, di ba? And then of course, tier 3, okay? Dapat meron kang 10 direct referrals and then you get 3% cashback on your own spending. Sipin mo, gumastos ka na, may 3% cashback ka pa. Which is really, really amazing. Sa napakagandang benefits ng ating rewards. Okay? So, yun yung mga rewards na meron tayo with 9Pay. So, imagine nyo na, gumagastos na yung friends and families because we offered them the card. They are crypto lovers. Sabi nga natin, and they don't know how to spend their crypto. 9Pay is the way. And then of course you are also earning cashbacks. Okay? So napakaganda, di ba? Now, okay? So the price of the 9 choice is $100. Price of 9Pay is $500 and the price of 9 Platinum is $1,000. Okay? So napakakon po niyan. And of course, this is also included in our affiliate system. Mamaya papaliwanag ko yung affiliate system natin. Of course, very important din yon para at least makita nyo. Di ba? So, ito yung natin, ito yung way to spend. Napakaganda po ng way of spending crypto. Very easy with the rewards as well. Okay, so na yung sasabi ko kanina, 2 directs, 5 directs, and 10 directs na referral. Now, so 9Pay is a DeFi product that contains 3x of potential earnings. So ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo sa affiliate side. Mamaya ipapaliwanag natin in a bit. Okay, sige nga natin. So, this is the video of we are sa Capital 3.0. Ito na yung pinaka-exciting na part. Nandito na tayo sa exciting part, okay? Hindi ko na ipi-play yung video kasi medyo mahaba to sa 16 minutes. So, ikuha na lang natin, no? Explain na lang natin. Okay? Next na tayo. Next. Next, okay. Introducing Capital 3.0 token. Okay. So the 3.0 token is designed to be backbone of the Capital 3.0 ecosystem, driving value creations through rewards and exclusive access. By aligning incentives with the success of crypto unicorns, the 3.0 token is on track to become the cornerstone in the future of Web3 investment. Okay, so ito po yung introducing natin. Ang mangyayari po makakapag-acquire po tayo ng Capital 3.0 token. Okay, so access to exclusive investment rounds. So token holders will gain access to early stage investment opportunities in emerging blockchain unicorns, leveraging the 3.0 token holders to multiply their investment with an ROI. So 3.0 is an ROI based system, okay? Na ang mangyayari po niyan, we are going to get access prior, sabi nga natin, earlier to the projects, prior to the release of the project in the market. Di ba? Sabi nga natin kumbaga, pinaka-example na maganda dito is let's say yung yung corned beef sa lata, di ba? Yung corned beef. Bago po yun ilabas do sa market, di ba? Grind yung beef, ilalagay sa lata, whatever. Doon pa lang may mga nag-i-invest na, di ba? May mga investor na yon. Tapos, bago mabenta yung corned beef sa labas, siyempre may presyo na yon. Di ba? May presyo na yun. So paglabas nun sa market, mas mataas na yung presyo. Di ba? Tapos pag nag-transport pa yun, mas mataas na yung presyo. Di ba? So ganun yung mangyayari natin. Dito pa lang tayo, meron na tayong access do sa corn beef, pwede na nating ibenta yun kung gusto mo, di ba? At least bawi ka na do sa puhunan mo. Eh ngayon, pinabayaan mo siya mapunta doon sa labas ng market, lumaki yung presyo, saka mo ngayon ibibenta, ibig sabihin, mas malaki na yung capital mo. So that's something na naging excited para sa akin. Okay? So yung ROI natin has something to do, ganito lang po yung gagawin natin. But to explain how this 3.0 has happened, meron po kasing evolution o yung sabi nga natin, tinatawag natin ng evolution of internet. So paano ba nangyari yung evolution of internet? Ganito po yun. Okay? So, the evolution of internet is simple. Naalala nyo siguro yung mga bata-bata pa dito, yung mga age natin no, nung mag-umpisa ang internet. Siguro naman kilala nyo si Netscape Navigator, si American Online, si MSN, di ba? Naalala natin yon. So, yung information noon, around 1992 to year 2000, alam niyo yun, naalala niyo ba yung kanya yan? Yung Web 1.0 noon. So it's called Web 1.0. Hindi natin alam noon na Web 1.0 pala ang tawag doon. Okay? So those are the informations. Okay? Pagpasok ng year 2005, pumasok na yung Internet of Communications. Nandiyan na po yung Facebook, Messenger, Google, Amazon, lahat po dyan pumasok na. Nandiyan na rin yung mga selling, yung mga cryptos, yung mga selling ng mga bagay, yung mga online selling, online opportunities. Dito na po lahat pumasok sa Web 2.0. Okay? So, yun yung evolution ng internet natin, so ibig sabihin. And then now, Web 3.0. Web 3.0 is the innovation of internet at this present moment. Sabi nga natin, ito yung century of Web 3.0. Nandiyan na yung decentralization, yung blockchains. Ako, pumasok na dyan, di ba? Nakikita nyo, no? Sabi nga natin, nandiyan na yung mga project like Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and many, many more. Okay? So yan po yung way kung bakit yung Web 3.0 is going to be the next phase. Okay? Papaliwanag natin kung ano nga ba yung who will be the Amazons of Web 3.0. Siyempre, of course, ako nakikita ko that is one part si VR also Satoshi. Okay? Now, emerging technologies that will drive the future value. So, okay, this is something na kailangan lang natin tingnan, no? If you are going to look on the future of cryptocurrency. Okay? Imagine ninyo, $2 trillion programmable money. Okay? These are all the cryptocurrencies out there, stable coins and everything na meron tayo. Alam natin na meron nga USDT, Bitcoin, whatever cryptocurrencies. These are all programmable monies. These are all digital monies. Okay? So embedded solution and the next generation of cryptocurrencies like stablecoins. Imagine niyo $2 trillion industry. And then of course, tokenized IP. Ano po ba ibig sabihin nito? Simple na sana ngayon lang sa totoo lang in Web 3.0 po pwede na po tayong bumili ng condominiums, ng lands, ng kahit anong property. Then nakakonect na po siya sa digital, sa blockchain, which is pwede sometimes NFP o kaya NFT o kaya nasa Web 3.0 model na yung mukha natin. Pag-aari natin yung actual property but it's tied up dahil sa digital asset natin siya. Ibig sabihin connected siya. So meron din siyang digital acquisition. Meron ka ding part parang nasa doon ka sa loob ng digital, pwede mong gawin kung anong plano mo sa digital and then of course i-apply mo sa natin. So intellectual property is really something na nagre-revolutionize na rin sa blockchain. So isipin nyo, maging property owner ka, condo, house and lot or whatever, it was tokenized. Okay? Naka-tokenize na siya. And then of course, natural, yung property instead na title, di ba, yung mga titulo, di ba, parang ganon. Or whatever na ginagamit natin sa to prove that this is our property in real world. Pwede na po yan. And this industry is 5.9 trillion and growing. Of course, decentralized finance, we already know this. This is also a $3.6 trillion industry. And then of course, the Web3 infrastructure, medyo malaki na rin talaga siya. So because this is the next way, the next sabi nga natin, revolution of internet. So Web 3.0. So isipin niyo na lang from 2 to 10 trillion, probably 2 to 6 trillion of up to 10 trillion dollars ang po pwede nating makuha dun sa uh, yun, sa market na makikita natin within Web3. So ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. Okay, exponential returns lie on the pre-launch stage. Okay? So kung naaalala nyo, okay, sabi ko nga sa inyo, nabanggit ko kanina si Axie Infinity, no? So these projects, nag-start lang sila from, 2017, so 7 years ago. Okay? 2018, 2020. So these are the unicorn projects na lumabas noong panahon. Like Solana. Alam ko naman kilala nyo sa Solana, di ba? Solana is one of the uh, project ngayon. Isipin ninyo, ganito yung mangyayari. Okay. So, mangyayari niyan, let's say, kunwari si Solana. Bago pa i-release si Solana, sabi nga natin, bago pa mapunta sa market yan, meron ng mga investor yan. May mga investor na yan, nakapag-collect na yan, na sabi nga natin, nagawa na yung due diligence niyan, ang mga investor niyan malalaki. Talagang sabi nga natin, hindi biro yung mga investor na yan. Na-invest na nila yan, and then, i-release nila si Solana sa market. Pag ni-release nila si Solana sa market, then isipin nyo, imagine nyo nung i-release nung June 2018, si Solana is just 0.20 cents. Halimbawa kayo, no, na meron kayong party capital 3.0. Meron kayong $1,000 na capital 3.0, di ba? Tapos ibinigyan kayo ng Solana token at the cost of 0.20 cents. So kung ilan man ang part nun, $1,000 times 0.20, so ilabihin na natin 2,000 Solana tokens na meron ka. Right now, ang price ni Solana is $174. What if inihold mo na lang si Solana nung 0.20 pa siya, inihold mo na lang siya at tapos naging $100 na lang. Saka mo ibinenta yung $2,000 Solana mo. Ganon po yung advantage na makukuha natin dito prior to the release. Kung naalala nyo nga si Chinkitan, okay, di ba? Axie Infinity. Ang kinita niya dito, sipin nyo, gaano kalaki yan? 1,200x times. Ibig sabihin, 1,200 times lumaki yung value niya. Kung nakabili tayo ng, let's say, Axie Infinity ng worth $1,000, tapos ibebenta natin at, let's say, at $50 na lang. That's 50,000. Ganun po yung advantage na meron tayo dito. So ito yung mga special project na ngayon, yung mga project na parating dahil bull run. Okay? Tulad nga yung pinakita sa amin kagabi ni CEO na isa sa magiging magiging allocation natin this November. We have only few days. Kaya nga sabi nga natin, this is the right time na maging part ni Capital 3.0 para makaipon kayo ng ROI tokens natin at maging part kayo ng pag-release ng isang project na yun. Ang ganda ng project. Napakaganda. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, I was blown away nung sabihin niya mismo na Binance mismo invested $200 million on that project. So ibig sabihin nun, hindi pa natin alam yung project na yun, di ba? Hindi pa natin alam. Pero ready na yung project na yun. Binance invested na, hindi po mag-i-invest. Invested. Eh sino ba si Binance? Alam naman natin kung sino si Binance. Okay? Just to give you an idea kung ano yung mga project na parating na meron sa likod si Capital 3.0. Sabihin na natin in this example, sabihin nyo, kung may hawak kayong Bitcoin or may hawak kayong Ethereum, at least in the last year, sabihin nga natin 2020 o 2017, nagkaroon pa rin kayo ng X, 6X, 5X, 10X, 42X. But imagine niyo yung X dito, yung return size natin kung nasaan pa lang tayo sa start ng pag-join natin sa token, na maging part na tayo ng Capital 3.0. Imagine kung dito tayo bibili ng token, tapos hindi na natin paabutin ng ilang years. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months na lang. Imagine nyo, let's say itong 0.20 naging $10 or naging $15. Di ba yung price ng Solana? Tapos saka mo binenta ngayon yung Solana token na nakuha mo dahil part ka na ng Capital 3.0. Imagine niyo yung return. Okay? Ganong katindi. At dito kay Capital 3.0, ang pinakamaganda, ang minimum nating makukuha is 5x. Okay? Ibig sabihin 5x na yung ating capital. Paano mo makukuha yun? Of course, bibigyan ka ng, let's say, nag-start ka ng kay Capital 3.0. Capital 3.0 will give you 2% a day. Okay? For 138 days, magiging 5x yung capital mo. And then, yung token na yon, yun yung isuswap natin sa project token like Solana or Axie Infinity. Okay? Mamaya kung may question kayo, of course, lilinawin natin yan. So, very important lang yan. Okay? Na maintindihan nyo na dito ang at least the minimum return that you will get on your investment is 5x. ROI mo is 5x. Hindi na masama, di ba? How long? Of course, that will depend on the project. So, mamaya igawa natin siya. Kung may tanong din kayo, write it down and then we will ask the question. Okay? So, how does it works? So, Capital 3.0 package will end after it's reached 5x. So, ibig sabihin, magre-reach ang 5x mo. Okay? So, this one. So, let's say you buy a $100 package. Okay? 35% of that. So, ibig sabihin, $35 mo magko-compound 2% a day. So, ibig sabihin, in 138 days, magiging $500 yon. So, paano mo yan, di ba? So, yung 2% compounding, start the next days until you achieve 5x. And then, 500% na na-receive mo na yung $500 token na coin, okay? That's the time na pwede ka mag-rebuy ng package or buy higher. Okay? So, nasa sa'yo na yan. Of course, galing ka sa 100, you go to 500, that's okay. So, ganun lang po siya mag-work. Diba? So, if you have $1,000 na package, of course, 35%, that is 350 compounding. Ganun din po yung mangyayari niya until 5x. So, that means you will get $5,000 3.2 token. Okay? And then, of course, you have to buy higher. So, ganito po yung packages natin kay Capital 3.0. So, our minimum is $100. 500, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, 25, and $50,000. Of course, napakaganda entry, $500. Sabi nga natin, if you want to know how deep the water is, dip your toe. Okay? Hindi natin malalaman kung hindi natin susubukan, di ba? And I believe $100 is a very reasonable to start with. Kung sabi ko nga sa inyo, what if, di ba? Hindi lang 5x. Kasi nga, di ba, sabi ko nga sa inyo, what if? Of course, kaya lang siyempre, pagka nag-hold na kayo ng token, yung risk nun kayo nang may hawak. Okay? Pero yung 100 dollars na yan, sabi nga natin magiging 5x yan, parang gagaranteed na sa atin yan na once it's in the project, sell it and then you get your $500. So that means nag 5x ka na. Pero kapag hindi mo agad ibinenta yung 500 na yan na tag-hold ka at because you believe on the project at tumaas nga naman siya for let's say $1, $2, $10, that means you have 1x, 5x, 10x, 4x plus the 5x na nakuha mo within the ROI system. So, ang daming X, di ba? Alam ko na, sabi nga natin, the expectation is, again, this is something na masyadong malaki, no? Kung sabihin nga natin. But this is something true. As long as you do your own due diligence, gawin nyo rin yung kanyo, i-research nyo rin. Of course, pag nabigyan na tayo ng idea, ano ba yung project? Let's say, binigyan tayo ng pangalan ng project na Solana, di sabihin natin, di project natin, Solana, blah, 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 diba? Tapos ka natin. So, ganun lang. So, it's all something na mayroon tayong magiging part of 3.0 is something. Okay, tokenomics. Sabi nga natin, tokenomics allocation of 3.0. So, rewards distribution is 2%. So, 3.0 token return of investment will be distributed in compounding calculation to the investors and promoters to leverage their participation in the crypto unicorns. Okay? So allocations 2%, allocated capital daily compounding up to 5 times of your total package purchase. Vesting periods 100% unlocked to be swapped with project tokens. Okay, so remember project 3.2 tokens allocation price is $1 or stable coin. O ito po yung CUSD na sinasabi natin. Okay? So 1:1 ang peg natin ng allocation sa 3.0. Okay, qualified to participate in earned rewards on Capital 3.0. So, every WAS member needs to activate Capital 3.0 package to become qualified and receive all the benefits associated with Capital 3.0 including affiliate rewards, token allocations as a return of investment. Okay? Return on investment. So, ganun po. Okay? I hope this is clear. Ganun po yung ka-exciting si Capital 3.0. Okay? Discuss ko rin lang sa inyo kung paano yung affiliate rewards. Okay? So, affiliate rewards, we go to our affiliate marketing 2.0. So, simple lang naman yung affiliate marketing 2.0 natin. This is something na hindi, actually hindi ito obligation, hindi ito mandatory to everyone na you need to recruit people. Ayan, invite na naman tayo ng tao. Kailangan nating, hindi tayo kikita pag wala tayong invite. No. Okay? If you want to be an investor, of course, you can be an investor. Okay? Wala pong problema yon. Just wait for your turn. Magkaroon tayo ng allocation, swap the token, benta mo yung token mo, that's it. Wala pong problema. But of course, if you want to help people, sabihin nga natin, yung mga kilala mo na nagki-crypto na maging part sila ng isa sa mga unicorn projects na meron tayong parating, this is the time na pwede nating i-share to. And then of course, you will be able to benefits on that. Ano ba yung mga benefits na meron tayo dito? So of course, meron tayong compensation plan which is the binary system. So binary system, okay? This is you need only two people, one on the left, one on the right, and then of course teach them to do the same. And then you become a premium subscriber and then more opportunities to earn. So paano po ba yan? Okay? So these are the kickbacks. Okay, tinatawag nating direct referrals sa madaling salita. So 5% rewards on every direct referrals that we are going to get, unlimited. But of course, meron lang tayong simple condition. That this will start from the third paid subscription that you sponsor directly. And then of course, introduce our kickback on repurchase. So imagine the word repurchase, very simple naman, naintindihan natin yan. So ibig sabihin, bibili ka ulit. Okay? So that means you will get o kung sino man yung in-refer mo, bibili ulit, you get 5% reward introduced directly, okay? O direct repair, parang direct referral din on pag nag-repurchase sila. And then of course, we have check match bonus. Okay, when you sponsor on the one on the left, one on the right directly, then you are qualified to 10% check match bonus. Okay? Just a reminder, the check match bonus is only limited on $300 daily until you rank up. So may ranking system po din tayo. Okay? But $300 a day is not bad kung talagang you are a team builder. Okay? So the capping of the check match bonus increase as the subscriber climbs the rank. So ganito po yung natin, bigyan natin ng example. So let's say, ikaw to, no? Let's say, si Ma'am Elaine, okay? Si Ma'am Elaine ito, okay? Bumili siya ng $500 na package ng 3.0, okay? Tapos, in-introduce ni Ma'am Elaine to kay Ma'am Elena, then bumili din siya ng $500, nag-activate siya, and then of course, si Ma'am Jacqueline bumili din naman ng $1,000. Now, okay, wala ka pang makukuhang 5% kay Ma'am Elaine, kay Ma'am Elena, wala kang makukuha kay Ma'am Jacqueline na 5%. Sabi nga natin, dapat sa third person. But of course, syempre, yung mag-i-introduce ka, i-introduce mo si Sir Johnny, okay, bibili din siya ng package na Capital 3.0. And then, you will start to get the 5%. And then, from this people, from this person, wala kay Sir Johnny, you will refer unlimitedly and then you can get 5% every time. That 5% of every package, kung ano man po ang package na bilhin niya. 50,000, you get the 5% of 50,000. 25,000, you get 5% of 25,000. Okay? Now, dahil premium ka na, kasi you have one on the left, one on the right, you are qualified to the check match bonus. Okay? So that means, may volume ka na. You have 1,000 volume in the left, 1,000 volume in the right, then that is a check match. So that means you will earn 10% of the matching bonus, which is $100. So eventually, by repairing these three people, potentially you'll be able to get $100 extra on your, say, team building. So ganun lang po kasimple. Okay? So, at ito pa yung sinasabi ko nga sa inyo, nag-repurchase. Okay? So let's say, si Ma'am Elaine, si Ma'am Jacqueline, si Sir Johnny nag-repurchase ulit yan. So this time, you will get the 5% here at the first person and the second person and the third person. Lahat yan may 5% ka na. And then of course, the same with the check match of 10%. So that means another extra income if they repurchase. So ganun lang po kasimple yung ating check match and yung bonuses and system rewards natin na meron tayo. Now, so this is potential affiliate earnings. So on DeFi, each time you buy BTCC Miner, Dodo, or Dodo license or 9Pay card, this purchase gets you 3x. So the potential earnings is 3 times. But of course, with sorry. Oh, where are you? So okay, wait. Okay. So the potential earning amount for all income and bonuses is 3x amount. So repurchase are available for all minus Dodo and 9Pay licenses. Okay, all purchases contributed to the total 3x potential income. Now, for Capital 3.0, okay, each time you purchase Capital 3.0 package, it will get 5x. So, potential earning mo pa rin is 5 times of your packages. So, this is called potential earning because Of course, hindi natin alam, sabi nga natin kung ano yung plano mo. If you want to be passive income earner, of course, you just have to wait, earn the ROI, and then you get 5x. But of course, if you want to share this, and then of course, you get the 5%, 10%, and then you will get 5x. Okay? So repurchase are also available. Okay? So paano mangyayari yan? Ganito lang po kasimple yan. Ito yung how you will earn the potential earnings. Okay? So let's say you buy $50 miner, you get potential earning of $150. 500 is 1,500. 5,000 is $15,000 potential income. Okay? The same with 9pay. Okay? Let's say with 9pay, you buy $100, you get 300. You get $500, you get 1,500, and then $1,000 card, you get $3,000. And of course, with our Capital 3.0, so it's almost 5 times. Remember, 500, $100 is 5x is 500. So 500 is 25. As we go along, this is going to be your potential earning on the affiliate side. Okay? Bakit ko sinabi dun sa affiliate side? Because this is something na if you wanted to build a team. Remember, this is not mandatory. This is not an obligation. But of course, why would you not share this amazing opportunity to all your friends and families or to other peoples kung hindi siya exciting, kung hindi siya makakatulong, di ba? This is something special talaga, to be honest with you, kung nakikita nyo lang yung potential earning na meron to. Okay? So we also have our ranking. So ito yung pinaka natin, no? Pinaka exciting because remember, may limit tayo na 300x. Okay? So check match bonus is limited ranking for $300 to 1,500 depending on the rank. Okay? So pating natin, we have the Shiba ranks. Okay? 100 on the left, $100,000 on the left and on the right. Then your check match bonus instead na 300 magiging 360. And then of course you get Ascension Club reward of $1,000. Okay? And then of course isipin niyo ang dami niyan, sabi niya natin umabot ka ng 250, 500, 1 million. Achievable ba to? 'Di ba? That's the question, parang ang taas naman, masyadong malaki, 'di ba? No. 2 days ago, one of one of the team, the Financial Freedom team reaches Ethereum. Okay? They reach Ethereum, so now they have worth of 10 million on the left, 10 million on the right, and now they have reward of $100,000 worth of Ethereum. So Bitcoin is really achievable. Bakit? Malapit na, oh. Ethereum has been attained. So Bitcoin is attainable also with 20 million on the left, 20 million on the right. Meron ka pang daily na 1,500 and then $1 million worth of Bitcoin. And then the beauty of Bitcoin is this is pwede nyong ulitin. Itong yung mga nauna hindi nyo pwedeng ulitin. But with Bitcoin, that means if you make it 40 million, $40 million, that means you get another $1 million and then you get your capping stays the same. But of course, imagine another $1 million worth of Bitcoin. Okay? So, we have our Bitcoin code nodes. This is available as well. Yung sinabi ko na sa inyo kanina, the cost of a node is $27,000 but you will get 182 percent annual yield. So, ibig sabihin po, in 1 year, tumubo ka na ng 82%. But imagine, tandaan nyo, after 139 years, saka pa, hindi ko sinasabing tapos na yun after 139 years, ha? Pero po yung after 1 year, the next 139 years, lahat po profit na for just one time investment of node of $27,000. Okay, ganun lang po kasimple the way I can explain yung nodes na kung paano kakikita. Very simple, very kasi fixed na po yung 182%. Doesn't matter what happen, you will get the 182%. Okay? So we have also pool income. So pool income is very simple. If you want to be mega pool, you need to have 1 million on the left, 1 million on the right. And then of course, giga pool, ganun din man, but you only need 5 million on the left, 5 million on the right. And then of course, Terra pool, you only need 10 million on the left, 10 million on the right. So what would you get? Sa mega pool, 4% share of the total company revenue monthly. And then of course, on giga pool, 7% share of the total company revenue monthly. And then 10% on the total company revenue monthly on TerraPool. Okay? So, terms and conditions. So, introducer kickback and Christmas bonuses are credited into the account on daily basis. Subscriber have the opportunity to receive Ascension Club rewards from multiple clubs sabi nga natin, pwede kang mag-attain ng maraming ranks. Example, na-achieve mo yung Cardano rank agad, nag-jump ka na kagad kay Cardano, naiwanan mo na si Shiba, si Dodge, si Tron, lahat po yung clubs, yung bonus nun makukuha mo rin. Okay? So Ascension Club rewards will be credited once a month. Affiliate earnings are subject to 2% admin fee, no withdrawal fees. So minimum and deposit is 10 USDT. Full income will be calculated on the total company revenue for the period starting from the first day to the 30th day of each month. So the maximum earnings for all DeFi incomes and bonuses is restricted or capped to 3x of your subscription amount. These are for miners Dodo 9 Pay node. Okay? Dito lang yan. And then of course, the maximum earning amount for Capital 3.0 bonuses is restricted and capped to 5x the subscription amount. So iba po kasi yung kay Capital 3.0, iba yung sa mga natin, sa mga DeFi products natin o decentralized finance products. Okay? So the Bitcoin Coin Ascension Club Rewards has a rank and has no capping. So yun po yung beauty ng ang daming benefits ni Bitcoin. Okay? So yun. So thank you so much for listening and accept the gratitude for exploring the cryptocurrency future. An exciting journey awaits us here in We Are All Satoshi. Okay? So pwede na po tayo mag-go sa ating question and answer. So let me stop my sharing and I hope naintindihan ninyo. I hope you learn a lot. I hope you write down all the informations kasi talagang maraming information ito pero you just kung meron kayong hindi naintindihan, of course, meron nga tayong question and answer and then keep coming back para mas maintindihan natin, mas marami tayong maintindihan dito sa Capital 3.0 project natin. Okay, so thank you so much again and really appreciate you be here. Okay, so let's start po yung ating question and answer. So let me stop my share. And yes. Okay, hello po. Give me a second at i-stop ko lang ang aking PowerPoint. Okay, yan. So, yun. Okay, may nakatasang kamay ni Ma'am Milena. Hello, Ma'am Milena. Kumusta po? Do you have question? Please unmute yourself. Hello, Ma'am. Di ba kapag-unmute si Ma'am? Ayos nating unmute. O yan, mag-unmute ka, Ma'am. I ask you to unmute. Hello. Ma'am Milena, do you hear me? Yun, paikot-ikot si Ma'am. Mukhang hindi makapag-kuhan. Hindi ka makapag-unmute, Ma'am. Hello. So, stop na natin yung recording, no? Para, uh, natin stop recording.